Look up. Look way up. Man, that's a big boy. 5.5 foot circumference. Coming out in about 2 weeks. Okay, it's dark in here, but if we look up, you'll see that it's dead, fairly dead, close to the main trunk. We're going all the way up now. There's a piece of the house. So we'll keep you posted on this. It's going to be about over a 2-week period. Thank you. And now we're under the big tree that'll be gone in a few days. And my dear wife scratched all this gravel. There's the landscaping fabric from 25 years ago. And we got as much out of here as 2 people in their 60s can get out. So I've been using this 110 volt Black & Decker leaf sucker with the bag to suck up the needles but not the rocks. If I use my expensive steel, it sucks the rocks up into the impeller, but this old one I don't care about, and it gets mostly needles. And what we've been doing with it is, we're back in the backyard now, is we just put the rocks where we pulled the needles out of to finish this off. This is probably 20 years. We just added another 1.5 inches of rock in here. So my friends, we added extra gravel to the side of the garage. I'll stop. Well, this isn't the prettiest part of the yard, but this is the gravel that we just shoveled. We did not suck the spruce needles out of it. We'll just walk down here. And it's not bad, you know, like, there was nothing but dirt here, so you'd walk out here and get your feet muddy after a little bit of rain or whatever. So, snow blower, tractor, and then the other tractor's still in the garage. And I've widened my ramps now so that it'll fit the tractor for cutting the lawn. A little shot of the Ponderosa before the grass turns green. One more stop. Alright, here goes Jonathan. Can you hear me? Here he goes. Okay, now we're in the zone. I'll let him go. Oh, he's already climbing. Okay, that would have taken me a day. It's okay. This tree is at the end of its lifespan. Cool. Moving up. That was cool. I could do that. Just from a different shot, different angle. He's moving, eh? Touch the hose there. Shredder. It's only about a third of the way up the tree. Wow. Come with me. There we go. Because I don't know if you can hear me or not. Here's a big one. Okay, the operation's getting bigger. We got this chipper truck and the other chipper truck just pulled in. Don't forget, this tree is almost 60 feet tall, right? So they're going to do it the old-fashioned way and drop the tree, eh? I'm recording right now. Need a bigger hammer. Here it comes. Yay! The tree is down. It's 52 years old, just same age as the house. I thought it would be 60. Undercut. My neighbor's going to get a chunk somewhere in here. Okay, that's a stump. It's a fuel-injected steel. Hello, my friends. I'm not sure how to measure this trunk, but that way it's 40, and this way with that root it's 40 inches. Coming. Slowly, about halfway down the stump. And I want him to come down the root too, here. Where would you see it? Down there. The same old grind. Oh, I thought... Watch the truck settle.
Quite the difference, eh, Bruce?
Yep. Now they're taking the stumps out in chunks like logs. The roots, I mean. Alright guys, there we go. Beautiful job.
Beautiful stuff.
Perfecto.